Volvo V90 Cross Country. Ready for every adventure. With go-anywhere capability and elegant versatility, you'll enjoy confidence and comfort in the new V90 Cross Country. Rugged sophistication, Scandinavian design and craftsmanship combine with true all-road capability in the new Volvo V90 Cross Country. Bold lines and rugged details create a powerful look, and the large wheels, increased ground clearance and sophisticated chassis are all designed to tackle the toughest conditions. No matter what's going on outside, V90 Cross Country is a sanctuary inside, with a cabin crafted from the finest materials and filled with natural light from the panoramic moonroof. Sumptuous seats offer comfort in all positions, with slim backrests that luxuriously extend rear legroom. A wide range of standard safety features will ease your mind, while intuitive technology will ease your journey. The V90 Cross Country is a car built to take you wherever the road leads, and turn every drive into an adventure. Safety comes first. The V90 Cross Country is infused with smart, intuitive innovations that keep you safer while you drive. Standard City Safety Auto Braking technology helps protect you and those around you. If a collision is imminent ahead, it will brake automatically, reducing impact, or preventing it altogether when you're driving at speeds of 31 miles per hour or less. The V90 Cross Country has more standard safety features than a Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon, including blind spot monitor and semi-autonomous driving capability, pilot assist, concert quality sound. Whichever seat you're in, our premium sound by Bowers & Wilkins audio system lets you hear the music you love just as the artists intended. Using 19 high-fidelity loudspeakers and an astonishing 1,400 watts of state-of-the-art amplification, it's an immersive experience with crystal-clear, powerful sound. Room mode functionality recreates the acoustic experience of the Gothenburg Concert Hall, a majestic stage or an epic recording studio. Award-winning powerhouses. Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, our award-winning Drive V powertrains are designed to give you the most enjoyable, efficient and confident driving experience, at any engine speed. The 8-speed automatic gearbox with start,